shorty got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear jock, 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 jock. Man down, where you from? Where you roll, where you from? Where you bound, boss, stay on my knee. This is that city, now you running. Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rap on while I'm slinging Google. This is cold effect and plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was EO Boogie, yeah, why she lucky? Ride down road cause it got ugly. Waving your hand out the window, check yourself. Warriors and coders, hope euphoria gets coders for society. The driver seek the first one to get killed. Seen a light-skinned girl with his brains blown out. At the same.
We begin our mystery with a troubled young child, a nice teacher, and a great detective. Just kidding, he sucks.
Here's your test, Joe. Probably gonna fail it anyway. It doesn't really matter, but knock yourself out.
Joe had some of the craziest dreams about what he would do to his teacher.
Oh, hey, Joe. How's it going?
Spork, I've had enough of you! I hate you! Alright? You gotta stop! Here! Take these!
Joe had no idea how to find the equation of a tangent line at a point, interpret the limit definition of a derivative, find the area between two curves, or use Euler's method.
Oh, wow. This is not looking good already, Joe. I think that's a 7, right? Yes, that's
No, that's a 12.
No, that's a 7. That's wrong.
What?
Look at that. This pen doesn't work. Got a pen that work? Here we go. I'm pretty sure that's a 7.
That's
No.
actually a 12.
No.
See, it's right there. Look, it's a 12.
No.
See, look, it's just simple power rule.
Joe,
you take the
Joe,
3,
sit down.
multiply by
Sit
4,
down,
and you
Joe.
subtract 1. It's a power rule.
Get out. Get out of here. All right. This also looks wrong. Yeah, that's wrong too. No. Just, like, what are you even doing? God, sine of pi halves, that is just, no. It's 0 for 3, here we go. And that doesn't make any sense. This is just absolute crap, so. You got a, just because I'm gonna be nice to you and give you like partial credit on the first one because you got it mainly right. So let's say I'll give you a 1 out of 8 for this one, which is an F, you idiot. You failed again. Great job, Joe. How are you gonna pass this class?
How does this not make sense? You taught me this. You use long division, and then you add C. I did plus C.
Minus.
Ah, screw you.
And sure enough, Joe finally reached his boiling point and decided to take action. Somehow, Joe committed his crime with complete discretion, even sneaking by Michelle DiMarino.
Trash.
Oh, thank you for taking out the trash.
No problem. Love you, Mommy.
At home, Detective Prasad sits with his wife Shay, a very odd couple.
Honey, it's a great movie we're watching, isn't it?
No, I hate it. I hate every movie that you put on for me. It's so annoying. Like, you're so annoying. Let me take this. What's up?
Honey, what's wrong?
Stop! Okay. Alright, I'll be there. I gotta go. After getting a crazy call from the police department, I knew I had to get right on the case.
Beginning his investigation, Detective Prasad looks to find more clues about Joe's whereabouts.
So guys, have you seen any issues between Mr. Borak and his students, like any students?
Absolutely. He's always yelling and screaming at them. It's ridiculous.
Okay. And how about you?
Yeah, he's always screaming at.
He's always screaming?
Yeah, angry.
I once saw a kid trapped in the closet once.
Okay. Okay.
Good?
So Mr. Borak, can I just call you Brian?
Yeah,
What do you know about Joe? Like anything at all?
I know him, but I don't like him. But here's the ocular proof.
Huh. Is this a clue I see? Thank you, Mr. Borak.
You're welcome.
The detective has found his first clue and is on his path to figuring out this riddle.
So Emily, how's it going?
Great.
So, Joe's gone. Mr. Borak is always angry. Everyone seems to hate him. What do you know about this? Like, I need help, and it's not looking great right now.
Mr. Borak, hate that guy. He's a horrible man. Him and Joe just go at it in class.
Do you have any issues with him?
Mr. Borak, yeah, hate that guy. Horrible.
All right. So, Six God, what do you know about Mr. Borak and Joe? I mean, I've seen them. It's been kind of, I don't really know. Do you? After looking at all these clues and talking to some witnesses, I had no idea what kind of monster would commit a crime like this.
Hey Joe, how's it going?
I made you some beans.
Oh yeah, sure.
During a casual stroll, Prasad happens to find another clue.
Alexander the Great? Walt Whitman? What's this? Oh my god, another clue.
As the mystery intensifies, the detective continues to add clues to his pile.
How's it going, Mr. Wright?
I'm doing very good, thank you. What's up today?
What do you know about Mr. Borak? Like, I've seen him down in the hallways and stuff, but like, there's an issue and we gotta get to the bottom of it. What do you know about him?
Well, I know there's this one student, Joe. He just seemed to have mentioned to have a little bit of problem with him in class, behavior-wise. He's a little upset at him.
No way.
From what's been said around town, yes.
Alright. I can't believe it. Thank you, Mr. Wright.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll see you later.
Anytime.
I'll see you later, Mr. Wright.
You have a good day, Dylan.
Whoa!
Are you alright?
Yeah! I found a clue!
After lots of searching, the valiant hero finally comes across his last clue.
Alright, I need the last clue. Where is it? This is taking too long. We need to find this killer. What do you have here? Let's go, baby.
Meanwhile, Joe finally lives out his sick fantasies against Mr. Borak.
What are you doing, Joe? Why did you kidnap me?
I hate you! Ah!
What?
You've criticized me. You've given me heart tests, and you laugh in my face. I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
Now with all the
I
clues,
started.
the detective tries to piece together
Alright,
the puzzle.
So I got all the clues. Now I don't even know how to approach this. It's all calculus questions. I had calculus like 10 years ago. I guess this makes sense because Mr. Borak is a calculus teacher. Let me just try and put this together. So first, the derivative of 3x squared. So that's power rule. Take this and multiply it by 3. That gets you 6. And drop this power by 1. So it's 6x. So that's 2. 2. Number 2. The integral of sine x. Well, the integral of sine is negative cosine x. And then you always got to add the plus c. So that's b. B. Then limit as n approaches 4 for n plus 4. You can use direct substitution for that. That's 4 plus 4, it's 8. So that answers A. And this one, this was a horrible chapter. Does this converge? That's a p-series, and p-series converge when when the power is greater than 1. So that's y. So now 2 B A Y. That's 2 Bay Street. I know where that is. Let's go.
Back in Joe's dungeon, Mr. Borak tries to talk some sense into Joe.
Joe, like, what's going on? This is crazy. You can't do this.
I can do anything I want, So the reason why I kidnapped you, dude, is because, math to begin with was great. I started out doing well, all through high school I was pretty good at math. And then I came to your class and started getting at least 67, 68, 70. And I'm just thinking to myself, I study so hard, like, why is this happening? And then you're laughing at me when I turn my test. Did you fail, Joe? No, I didn't fail. I got a 68 each time.
I'm sorry, Joe. I'll give you an A. Like, please, I'll give you an A.
No, you're staying here, all right?
I have kids, Joe. Come on.
I don't care, dude. I don't have friends. You have kids, but I don't have friends. So this is good for me. Not only do I get to kidnap you and take out my hatred, but I actually get to hang out with someone.
Please.
Maybe I should kidnap people more often.
Please. No, this is insane, Joe. This is insane. You gotta let me go.
No, I'm not letting you go, dude. I have been through it all, and you've done nothing! You've just laughed at me, alright? So I appreciate you're a good teacher, no wrong. I mean, I probably do stink at math, but...
I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Like, you gotta let me go. I have a family.
Well, I can't. Sorry. We're in too deep.
Having debunked the clues, the detective makes his way to the coded address.
2 Bay Street. Here it is. Let's go. All right.
Yeah, you did.
He's got to be down here somewhere. Looks like he's... Look, did he free himself? What? What's going on? What's going on?
Thank you for saving me. He kidnapped me.
Did I solve it? Let's go!
Yep, our dumbass detective just shot an innocent man and let the calculus kidnapper walk free. What an idiot. Back at home again, our oblivious hero receives another call to duty.
Guess what I made for dinner tonight?
What?
I made cauliflower, your favorite.
Your cooking sucks. You suck. I want a divorce. Let me take this. What's up? No way. Again? I gotta go. This is bad.
What's wrong?
After getting a phone call from the police station that another teacher had gone missing, I think I actually might have killed the wrong person. I think Mr. Borak was innocent, and Joe was actually the kidnapper. Too late now, I guess.